All right, I know this is not your first time doing this. Just a couple of reminders. The page numbers are there if you want to go see how it is used in the text itself. I will put the dictionary link there and the link to the book because I forgot to do that. So sorry about that. I'll make sure those are there by the time you do this assignment so that you can use a dictionary that's a little easier to understand, I think, than just Googling it. And like I said, you can also use the link to the book. The link to the book is up here as well if you need it, but I'll make sure to put it on Schoology. You have to do the red ones. The yellow ones are up to you, even if you just want to do some of the yellow ones. And then make sure you capitalize your sentences, use punctuation, show me that you can write a good sentence. Okay? Good luck. Let me know if you need help.